How to spinning and Bezier drawing. Step 1. Bring in an image template. Make sure that you have the image as planes add-on enabled in Preferences. Press numpad 1 to enter front orthographic view. Drag and drop an image template into the viewport. Move the template image behind the working area. In the image properties, turn down the opacity to give us better visibility of the working area. Back in front orthographic view. Center the image along the x-axis. Step 2. Modeling. Add a new plane. In edit mode, merge all vertices to center. Press G and move the vertex to begin tracing the image template. Press E to extrude and move the vertex along the profile of the image. Go back and make any final adjustments to the vertices. Press numpad 7 to enter into top orthographic view. Select the spin tool. Drag the plus sign around until the mesh is closed. Or type -360 in the spin properties. Select all of the vertices and merge by distance. Adjust the distance until the gap is closed. Continue modeling until the base mesh is complete. In object mode, select Shade Smooth from the Object drop-down menu. Back in Edit mode, select all of the hard edges and mark sharp. Step 3. Bezier drawing. Add a Bezier curve. And in edit mode, delete segments. Select the Draw tool. In the Draw tool property, select Cursor. In front orthographic view, draw the desired shapes. Use the Select tool to make any necessary adjustments. Add a mirror modifier. Adjust the position as needed.